All Operations Part 1. Question 5. Mr. Hamilton has his own carpentry business. He spent $425 for the materials he needs to build lawn chairs. He's selling each chair for $85 each. If Mr. Hamilton makes and sells 9 lawn chairs with the materials he bought, how much profit will he make? Question 7. The table shows the number of square feet that a concrete construction company paved over several months. So it tells us April, May, and June, and we're looking for July. If the company paved a total of 73,443 square feet in the 4 months, how many square feet were paved in July? Question 8. Tom and Jose both work for the local grocery store after school. Jose earned $50 more than Tom last week. Tom earned $155 last week. The strip diagram represents M, the amount of money both Tom and Jose earned last week. Which equation can be used to find M, the amount of money both Tom and Jose earned last week? Question 9. Mario's family is planning a vacation. The hotel they will stay in cost $85 per night, and they are budgeting $125 per day for meals. If the family's vacation lasts 3 days and 2 nights, how much money should they plan to spend on meals? Question 6. The table shows Richard's total monthly expenses. How much of Richard's total monthly expenses are variable expenses? So we have rent for $500, health insurance $250, food $400, gas $150, other $350. So how much of Richard's total monthly expenses are variable expenses? Question 11. The table shows some expenses the Ritz family had last month. Rent $615, electric bill $125, car payment $210, water bill $90, car repair $490, and gas $160. Which statement about these expenses is true? A. The car payment and car repair expense are fixed expenses. B. The electric bill and gas expenses are considered fixed expenses. C. The rent expense is considered a variable expense. D. The car repair is considered a variable expense. (14) 400 students at Olson Elementary School were divided into 2 groups for a school field trip. The first group included 165 students. The second group had more students than the first group. How many more students were included in the second group? Part A, create a strip diagram that can be used to find X, the difference in the number of students in the 2 groups. Part B, write an equation to model the strip diagram from Part A. Question 16. Lainey sold snacks at a neighborhood park. The cost of preparing the snacks was $8.49. The money she received from the sale of the snacks was $29.90. What was Lainey's profit? Question 17. Jeremy had a jar that contained 128 fluid ounces of ranch dressing to put into bowls at a restaurant. He filled each bowl with 6 fluid ounces of ranch dressing until there was not enough dressing left in the jar to completely fill another bowl. How many fluid ounces of ranch dressing were left in the jar? Question 18. Max has a collection of 237 marbles that he keeps in 5 jars. His grandmother sent him 9 bags with 7 marbles in each bag from New York. If there are the same number of marbles in each jar, how many marbles does Max have in each jar after he added the marbles that were sent by his grandmother?